What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm working out.
You're working out?
I'm happy.
It is heavy. What do you do when you work out? Whoa. You show mommy?
Blue.
Yeah. Gotta use both hands. It's heavy. There you go. Oh, was that a hard workout? Did you work out hard? Are you tired now? Okay. You need a drink? You done working out? No? Show mommy how you do it. Oh, can you get them? Oh, good job.
I'm happy.
It is heavy, you're right. Oh, all done. No.